Dennis Laudick, who is the Vice President of Product Management at Imagination Technologies. Dennis has decades of experience working with mobile, working with consumer, working with automobiles. He's got a breadth of experience for this, and he is going to be talking about reimagining the GPU's role in embedded vision system design. Please help me welcome Dennis Laudick.
Great. Thank you very much. So, thank you very much, everyone, for coming. What I'm going to talk about, well, first off, for anyone who doesn't know who Imagination is, we do graphics processor units. Actually, one of the original companies, been doing them for over 30 years. The last 20 years been focused on very power efficient embedded graphics IP. So what I'm going to talk about is some rethinking we've done around the GPU, how it's designed and how it fits into the system in the age of AI. So first off, let's just put this in context a little bit. So, I mean, all of you are experienced technicians, professional technology people. You know, we've all benefited from the last 30 years of what I would refer to as deterministic computing. And, you know, it started off with a very if this, then that type of computing approach, which has been great because it's easy to understand, it's easy to control, it's easy to reproduce. And so it served us really well as we scaled the concept of computing up to where it is today. But obviously, it's been running into problems in terms of what it could do. It was running into the limits in terms of complexity that we could produce to do things like perception, language understanding, and so forth. And lo and behold, along comes AI, taking a very different approach on it, and it blows the doors open in terms of what we can do around perception, language, and human interpretation. But it approaches it from a very different perspective. It uses what I would refer to as a Babbage type model or probabilistic computing. And it's easy to look at this as a kind of workload. So you'll have traditional computing, and we do a bit of this probabilistic computing on the side. I view it very differently. I see this as a fundamental shift in computer science. This is the new way that we will do computing. We will always have control logic, we will always have control layers, but this is going to be the big new capability under which computing grows from here.